David, what would you like to add? People who need to get into this process. I'm sure there are people who think, gee, it's a lot of work. What if I'm not going to qualify for a loan? My credit, I don't know what my credit looks like. I haven't put in a long time. What do you think? What would you like to say to them to help encourage them to get started?
So I really encourage you guys to get in touch with us. And the process is actually pretty simple. You call us up and we actually go over your credit and we see what you need help with and we sign you up and we start the process. It's not scary. The scary thing is not to know, and the scary thing is to drown in your in your bills and in your debt. And one of our services is actually a debt payoff, which is a great tool. We have a lot of great tools for people who are trying to store their credit, start their credit, build their credit. And we're here to help. I'm finding out that a lot of Americans, unfortunately, are, I would say, a little weak at understanding concepts such as loans and interest rates. And, I was just talking to a car guy in Santa Monica, and he kind of wants to work with us, but they don't really mind selling a car at 15, 16, 25%. They'll find you a loan, so we're like, no, don't go for that loan. Work with us, let us get you straight, then you'll get a loan for 2% or 3%, and you won't be paying it forever.
Right. Well, and as it's a great point, like anything else in life, a little preparation can save you a lot of money and a lot of heartache. And so we got to get the work done ahead of time. Well, great.